Well guys, snow in Texarkana, Texas. I do have the truck out ready to go in case we have to go anywhere. There's no way that I would drive the car in this stuff. You'd just be pushing snow. Even front wheel drive does pretty good, but I'm a four-wheel drive person. If I'm gonna drive in something like this, it's got to be four-wheel drive. As you can see, it's beautiful out here. But I thought I'd just share a quick clip with you so you can see how deep it is, and you can see that it is really still coming down. First time I've seen snow like this since I've lived in Texas. Now, we lived in Memphis and saw this quite regular. See y'all later. Y'all be safe out there.